welcome to my channel once again. I hope you guys are having a good day. Today I'm going to show you how I make parmesan chicken both in the oven and the air fryer, so stay tuned. Let's get going. So there you see I've greased my foil paper with some butter, and then I am putting my chicken wings in, and then we're going to be put it in a 350 preheated oven for about an hour and a half, and we're going to be making our parmesan sauce. So I have about 3/4 stick of butter, 2 to 4 cloves of garlic, some parsley, about a 1/4 teaspoon I would say there, and then we're just gonna let that simmer some. And since I'm using unsalted butter, I put some creole seasoning, onion powder, and let that cook for a minute and a half. And as you can see, I'm trying to get everything crushed as best as possible. And so then I'm going to be adding about a 1/2 cup of parmesan and mix that well together. You can also add the parmesan after, because this tend to not melt so well, but at least I'm trying to break it up there. So after an hour and a half, I took my chicken out. As you can see there, it's fully cooked. So now I am going to let that brown for maybe 5 minutes, and there you have it. I've plated it and I'm pouring my sauce, and then I've added some more parmesan and parsley on top. So now let's get into our air fried chicken. So there you see I have my pan. I have greased it with some olive oil, and I'm gonna put my chicken in, and then once that's done, then we're gonna be putting it in our air fryer at 360 degrees for 15 minutes, and then I'll check at intervals. You know, the air fryers are different, so you may need a different time for yours, but at least check in between the time that you have allotted. So there you see I did it for about 13 minutes, and then I flipped them over. I thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, turn on that notification button so you do not miss any of our videos. And there you see I'm giving it an extra 3 minutes, so that's 5 in total. So after 4 minutes, I check it again, and you can see it's golden brown. I'll give it another 3 to 5 minutes just to get it well brown. There is the finished product. So now I'm going to be throwing my parmesan sauce over this, and I must say both of them turned out wonderful. It doesn't matter if you use your oven or your air fryer, you'll still get that tasty and delicious parmesan garlic chicken wings. So I thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe and turn on your notification button. And if there is a recipe that you'd like for me to do, be sure and leave it in the comments. And see you on the next video. Bye.